Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping for mental health and therapy service industry. We'll cover these few topics in this video. We'll start with revenue and billing records, then we'll come to expenses, then patient records, insurance claims, tax compliance, cash flow management, profit and loss statements, account receivable, budgeting, and financial analysis. So let's start with the revenue and billing records. In this, you need to keep track of all the revenue that been generated from your therapy sessions or from your counseling fees, or if you are giving them any insurances, then from the insurances and any other streams of your income, and make sure that all these billing records are accurate and your payments are properly documented. Expenses. In expenses, you need to maintain a detailed record of all the expenses related to your firm, like if you are paying some rents, you having some utilities, your office supplies, your therapy equipments, and the marketing cost of your firm, and if you are having some employees or staff, then their salaries. Now let's talk about patient records. You need to safeguard your patient's confidentiality while keeping thorough records of your patient's appointment and their therapy sessions or their treatment plans. Insurance claim. If you practice accept insurance, then make sure that all the insurance claims are filled accurately and in timely manner. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, you need to stay up to date with the tax regulations and the deadlines, and make sure that you are accurately withholding and remitting your payroll taxes that you maintain, and you need to keep an appropriate documentation for all the deductions and exemptions. Cash flow. In cash flow, you have to monitor your cash flow regularly to ensure that your practice has enough liquidity to cover if there is any unwanted expenses. Next is profit and loss statements. You need to generate regular profit and loss statements to assess the financial health of your firm. This statement will provide a clear view of your income, expenses, and your profitability. Accounts receivable. You need to keep an eye on the outstanding accounts receivable to make sure that you are collecting your payments timely, and you need to implement some strategies for promptly collection of this outstanding payments to improve your cash flow. Budgeting. In budgeting, you need to create and maintain a budget that outlines your expected income and expenses, and you can compare your actual financial performance to the budgeted financial performance to identify if you are making it slow or if you are growing fast, or whatever the errors are. Financial analysis. In financial analysis, you need to conduct your financial analysis to identify the trends and the opportunities in your industry. You need to compare your firm's financial performance to the industry's benchmark performance. So then you will know how well you are doing to the relative of your firms. Every industry has some key performance indicator that shows that how the industry is growing or how it's track success. So here are some key performance indicators that are commonly used in the mental health and therapy service industry to measure its performance and track success. So the first is client retention rate. This indicator will measure the percentage of the clients who continues to take therapy from your firm over the time. High retention rate can indicate your client satisfaction and the effectiveness of your therapies or of your services. Average revenue per client. This indicator will calculate the average amount of the revenue generated from each client. And also this indicator will help you to access the financial value of individual client and can perform pricing and marketing strategies. Appointment no-show rate. This indicator will track the percentage of scheduled appointments that result in no-show. A high no-show rate can affect your revenue and can affect your overall firm's efficiency. Patient satisfaction surveys. In this, you need to gather the feedbacks from your patients through surveys or through any review to know their satisfaction from your services. And the positive feedback can lead you to referrals, and referrals can lead you to your firm's growth. Referral rate. This indicator will measure the percentage of the new clients who come to your firm through the referral of your existing client. A high referral rate can be a sign of your strong reputation. Average length of therapy. This indicator will monitor the average duration of your therapy sessions and the client engagement. This can help you to assess the effectiveness of your treatment plans and the potential of your firm or of your therapy. Occupancy rate. This indicator will help you to calculate the track and the percentage of your available appointment slots that are filled. Maximizing your occupancy rate can improve your revenue. Growth in client base. This indicator keeps tabs on the rate at which your client base is expanding. If your customers, can't say customers, if your clients are expanding or not. Profit margin. This indicator will calculate the percentage of the revenue that remains as profit after all the expenses deduction. A healthy profit margin is essential for your firm's growth and sustainability. Staff productivity. If you have staff in your firm so you must measure their productivity in the terms of the number of clients served or the sessions are conducted as per the staff members. This can help you to optimize your staffing levels and resources. So that was all for the bookkeeping and accounting of mental health and therapy service industry. Thank you and have a nice day.